Exclusive interview by Michael Walker. St. James Park, asks Olly Lee rhetorically. It is all about our childhood. St. James Park is special. It is a special answer. 2. St. James Park, asks Olly Lee rhetorically. It is all about our childhood. St. James Park is special. For the first time since 1994, Olly's club Luton will play at St. James, where his father Rob was captain of Kevin Keegan's Entertainers. To add another layer, Rob Lee played in that game in 1994, which was in the FA Cup. And to add one more, Rob's second son Elliot also plays for Luton. As boys, he says of himself and Elliot, "We used to go to every game. Maybe we didn't pay as much attention as we should have. We were messing around." Once Rob had finished playing, he and the boys would still go to watch